Welcome to use the TranslateBase plugin. This video will show you how to install and use it. Visit the website of the TranslateBase. You can see two installation methods. First, Chrome extension installs. Click Add to Chrome. After the installation is complete, pin it to the extension icon. Second, zip installation. Download the installation package and unzip it. Open the Extension Management window. Enable Developer Mode. Drag the folder you just extracted. Pin it to the browser toolbar. And the installation is complete. Congratulations, installation successfully completed. Let's see how to use it. Web page bilingual translation. Click on the right hover, or translation of the browser extension bar. The translation result is displayed in seconds. You can switch between more than 50 languages and multiple translation engines. It's all completely free. Select translation results in the settings to show only the translation. Click on the speaker next to the translation result to play the translated voice.
It is a method of boiling ramen noodles.
Video subtitle translation. Click on the hover settings. Turn on the bilingual subtitles function. You can get fluent bilingual subtitles. It is also possible to adjust different languages and engines. You can choose to display bilingual subtitles outside the video. PDF document translation. Click on Document Translation in the menu. Drag and drop or click to upload PDF files. There are more than 50 target languages to choose. Free translation 100 pages. Upgrade Pro membership unlimited number of page. Mouse over translation. Open TranslateBase in the browser extension bar. Selecting mouse hover. And translation shortcut key. Move the mouse to the paragraph you want to translate. Press the shortcut key you just set at the same time. Translation results appear immediately. Other personalized functions. You can modify the translation color, palette freely, or use a color extractor. The default color is the same as the original text. The switch and position of the hoverboard can also be changed in the settings. Now let's experience the powerful functions of the TranslateBase.